Ever wondered how WhatsApp, a simple messaging app, has so radically transformed the way the world communicates? With over 2 billion users across the globe, this app has indeed made a significant impact on our daily communications. But how did it all begin? And how does this free app generate revenue? Let's delve into the fascinating journey of WhatsApp. Back in the year 2009, two former Yahoo employees, Jan Koum and Brian Acton, embarked on a mission to revolutionize the way people communicate. They launched WhatsApp, a messaging app that allowed people to stay connected without the constraints of SMS charges or geographical boundaries. Little did they know, this simple idea would snowball into a global phenomenon. In its nascent stage, WhatsApp was a status update application. However, it soon transitioned into a messaging app due to the potential the founders saw in the growing smartphone market. The app's popularity skyrocketed, and by the end of 2011, WhatsApp had become one of the top 20 apps in Apple's US App Store. Fast forward to 2014, Facebook acquired WhatsApp for a staggering $19 billion, making it the social media giant's largest acquisition to date. This acquisition marked a significant milestone in the journey of WhatsApp, bringing it under the umbrella of one of the world's most influential tech companies. Now you might be wondering, how does WhatsApp, a free app, make money? The answer lies in its unique business model. Initially, WhatsApp charged a $1 annual fee, but this was dropped in 2016. Today, it generates revenue through WhatsApp Business API, which allows businesses to interact with customers on the platform. Businesses pay a fee to send marketing and customer service messages, providing a significant revenue stream for WhatsApp. Despite its immense popularity, WhatsApp hasn't been immune to controversies. In recent years, it has faced criticism for its role in the spread of fake news and misinformation, leading to serious real-world consequences. Privacy concerns have also been raised, especially after Facebook's acquisition and the subsequent changes in data sharing policies. So there you have it. The journey of WhatsApp from a simple status update app to a global communication powerhouse. It's a tale of innovation and growth, punctuated by controversies and challenges. To recap, WhatsApp, launched by Jan Koum and Brian Acton in 2009, has transformed global communication. Acquired by Facebook in 2014, it generates revenue through the WhatsApp Business API, despite being a free app for users. However, it has faced controversies around fake news and privacy concerns. This app has indeed made a significant impact on our daily communications. But as we move forward, it also poses important questions about the role of technology in our lives and the balance between convenience and privacy. It's a story that continues to unfold, shaping the future of communication as we know it.